2026 tax refund update. In today's video, we are going to go over letter CP53E, so make sure you stay tuned for all of the details. And we also have the next direct deposit date shared. But before we begin, as always, welcome back, everyone. So very happy to have you back for another IRS update. Let's go ahead and get started. The IRS has updated that 1% of taxpayers have received letter CP53E to taxpayers with no direct deposit information on their tax return, or the banking information you provided was incorrect or it was rejected by your bank. This does not mean that your refund was denied or that you will not receive your tax refund. You just need to update your banking information in order for the IRS to issue you your 2026 tax refund. Now let's go over the steps that you need to take if you receive letter CP53E. The first one is you need to access or create your IRS online account. You want to navigate to the profile section. Then look for the banking information and you want to add your bank account. You want to enter and submit your direct deposit information. Now, if you have already updated your information and you receive this notice, the IRS states to disregard the CP53E notice if you have already updated your information. The IRS also state that you do not have to wait to receive letter CP53E notice to take action, that you can check the Where's My Refund tool for next steps if this situation applies to you. You can log into your IRS online account or create one if you don't already have one to resolve your banking issue quickly. You do not have to wait for the notice. Once you update your banking information, the IRS will issue your 2026 tax refund, usually within 7 days. For security purposes, IRS employees cannot update your banking information over the phone or in person. Now, what happens if you don't take any action after receiving letter CP53E? Generally have 30 days from the date on the notice to update their banking information. And if you do not take any action within the 30-day window, the IRS will issue a paper check 6 weeks after the date the notice was mailed. So if you want to receive your 2026 tax refund earlier than that, you want to go online, update your banking information as soon as possible to get your tax refund timely. Now for the good news, the next direct deposit date shared is May 18, 2026. Make sure you're checking your IRS online transcripts for 846 refund issued, as well as the WMR for your next direct deposit date. And make sure to share with us in the comments. Now, in terms of the numbers, the IRS has not updated their website since the last update of April 17, and at that time, they had over 1 million in delayed tax refunds. And if you need help with your delayed tax refunds, make sure you stay tuned for all of the ways you can receive assistance in finding out what the delay is. The next time you can receive one-on-one assistance in the nearest taxpayer center office is May 30th, and the last will be June 27th. Make sure you check the 2026 tax refund playlist for the video on the different states, the specific locations where you can get assistance on Saturday. Contact the IRS at 1-800-829-1040, and you can contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service for assistance as well, especially if you are experiencing financial hardship due to your tax refund being delayed. You can contact them at 1-877-777-4778. You can also schedule an in-person appointment by calling 844-545-5645. 840. You can also contact your local state representative by going to house.gov, put in your zip code, finding your representative, and you can contact them to receive assistance in finding out what the delay is. So make sure to explore all of these options to find out what is causing the tax refund delay. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back for more tax refund updates and breaking news. Bye-bye.